Hello everyone. In today's video, we are discuss about how to start C programming language, how to download MinGW, how to install MinGW, and how to set up the path to environment variable. So let's start the video. So firstly, open a Google Chrome, type here MinGW. This is the first link. Open this first link, click on the download button. Here, wait for some second, 5 seconds. It is automatically downloading. Here MinGW folder is downloaded. Here exe folder is downloaded. So click on this MinGW, click on the install, click on the continue button and wait for some second. Here some packages are downloading and installing. It is depending on your internet speed. Just wait for some second. Here 100% downloaded. Then click on continue button. Then you have to install these packages. Here this first package mark to install. Then a basic MinGW installer. This package is also required. Then the GUI C++ compiler mark for installation, this is also, and then the GUI Objective C compiler, this is also mark for installation. Then click on installation, then apply changes, then click on the apply. Here some packages are downloaded. It is take some minutes. It is depending on your internet speeds how many time it is required. So wait just a second, I skip this part. Here all MinGW packages are successfully, and here extracting all files. Here all files extracted and downloaded successfully. Then close this and also close this. Then we want to set up the environment variable path. So go to the C folder, here MinGW, then bin folder, copy this path, Control C, then go to the search bar, type here the environment variable, this option, then go to the advanced, here go to the environment variable. Then in system variable, we have to edit the path edit. We have to add here new path and paste here that copy part. Okay, click on OK, and again here OK. Here path is successfully saved. Then I am creating here a folder. Create here a new folder, giving name C programming. Open this folder. I am type cmd code space dot. This folder is open in VS Code. This folder is open in VS Code. Then I am creating here a file name first dot c. Type enter. When you start first time, then here is pop up to install the extension of C and C++. Click on the install button. Here C++ extension is installing. Here the extension is installing. After the complete installation, go to the first.css and type here the C programming code hash include stdio.h. It is a header file. Then int main, it is a start main function, curly braces, printf hello world, semicolon, return 0. This extension is installed successfully. Click on this file, Click on the run code. Hello world. Here our program is run successfully. So thanks for watching video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.